personality is nothing but today's reality, your reality or your situation today is the result of what personality you have right now. Today's situation in your life, your finances, your health, your relationship, your spiritual connection, and everything, prosperity or mediocrity, less money, anything that you have, or anything and everything that you have in your life right now is because of your current personality. The way you think, the way you speak, the way you handle your emotion, the way you have good relations, the way you have built your relationship, the way you connect with the audience, the way you connect with your boss, your manager, with everybody, that is your current personality. In order to achieve desired results, you all have desired results, right? Everybody has desired results. You want good bank balance, you want to increase the salary, you want to get the opportunity to go to the next level in your career, you want to change the job, you want to change to the dream job, right? Everything is going to be possible, but what to be changed? See, in order to achieve your desired results, will you be able to achieve your desired results with the help of your current personality? Tell me. With your current personality, जो personality आपके पास है, क्या आप उससे desired results जो आपको पाना है, क्या आप पा सकते हैं? Can you achieve your desired results with the help of your current personality? Please type in the comment section. No, you can't achieve that. You know why? Because if it was already there, if you had already this personality there, then why didn't you achieve your desired results? So in order to achieve your desired results, you got to change your avatar. That's the reason you see my background says personality mapping, your new avatar. I believe in changing the new avatar. You have to define your new avatar. You have to define your new version of yourself. Then only things will change in your life. Otherwise, it will not. Because we are only trying to change external world. What we get? Cribbing, problems, hatredness, and other things. We become bad, and all these things happen. So we only look for other people growing. What are we looking inside? It's very easy to complain. Hey, I know this has happened because of you. But it is very difficult to take the responsibility. Yes, this has happened because of me. My lifestyle right now is because of me, not because of anybody. Your finances is whose responsibility? Tell me, people. Your finance is whose responsibility? Your finance is your responsibility. It might look a little harsh when I'm saying this, but I want to tell you the reality. I don't want to put you in dark. Your finances is your responsibility, my dear friends. It's none other than yours responsibility. Nobody will come to you and correct it. Tomorrow some problem happens in your life. There are so many people who are going to tell you bad, good, this, that, but only you and you can only change your life. You can only support yourself. Nobody will come and give something to you in your life. You have to do it. They can only give, support. They can only come to you and sympathize you, empathize you. Sir, thinking to change external thing, is it wrong? No, it is not wrong, Sai. It is not wrong. But many people only try to do that. When we connect to ourselves, now we can easily influence the environment. When you connect to yourself, easily influence the environment and then change the entire world. गांधी जी, आप बोलोगे गांधी जी ने क्या किया? उन्होंने पूरा दुनिया को चेंज किया या पहले अपने आप को चेंज किया? लोगों ने तो बहुत बुरा बोला उन्हें. People said that when he started Dandi March, nobody supported him. So what he did? Did he collect people? Hey, you come along with me. He did not do that. He just continued his journey. By looking at his commitment, people started joining him. I'm just asking you to learn from the history. we need to look into ourselves. We have to start working on ourselves. Surroundings will look into you and will start joining you, will start understanding, and automatically things will change. When you change, your family will change. You'll say, how? I'll tell you. When you become disciplined, your kids will become disciplined. How many of you agree with me? Tell me. How many of you agree with me when you start getting up early in the morning, maybe 1 hour earlier than generally you get up, one day nothing will change, 2 days, in 2 days nothing will change, in 3 days nothing will change, but in a month when your kids are watching you getting up early in the morning, they will also have question in their mind, why papa or mama is getting up so early in the morning? Let me also start. Are you all with me? How many of you are able to connect with me? How many of you are able to connect with me? Yes, are you able to connect with me? Yes, type in the comment section, I in the comment section, I in the comment section, everybody. Let me see how many of you are able to connect with me. Yes, yeah, it's important. So we don't have to look, we don't have to correct the entire world. Correct yourself automatically. By looking at you, things will change around you.